One of the biggest fears that sellers have is just not knowing who they're dealing with. They've heard horror stories about buyers who are flaking out, buyers who are renegotiating at the last minute, and just overall buyers who added stress to their life instead of providing the relief that they were looking for. And that's why certainty is a big part of our mission here at Sell House Columbus. We're not talking about guessing games and hoping, real certainty. When we make an offer, it's a real cash offer, and what that means is there's no financing contingencies, there's no appraisals, and there's no bank inspections or anything like that. Traditional buyers usually need everything to go absolutely perfect in order for them to close, and there's a number of things that can absolutely blow up the deal and completely mess everything up. It could be inspections, the inspection doesn't come back and now the buyer can't get qualified, or loan approvals, or job changes, or maybe something as simple as they go out and put something on their credit card, it changes their credit score, and now their home loan is completely messed up. We've seen this happen time and time again, and it's you, the seller of the property, that ends up paying the price. And that's why our model is different. We're true cash buyers, and our purchase is not relying on a loan approval or some appraiser who's going to come out, and there's no repairs required at all. Sometimes when you're dealing with these traditional buyers, their bank says, yeah, I'll fund the deal, I'll do this, if the seller makes this repair, and this repair. We require no repairs, no appraisals, no inspections, just a clean and clear cash transaction so you can sell on your timeline and provide the relief that you're looking for. Everything is very easy. Not every seller has the same closing timeline as well. Sometimes sellers need to close fast, other times sellers need a more flexible type of closing, and when you're working with a true cash buyer like us here at Sell House Columbus, we can operate whatever the timeline is that's going to suit your needs the best. We want to accommodate you in your situation. And just as important, we believe in full transparency. So even when we're walking you through the offer that we're making, we go through this line for line with you. There's no stone left unturned. You're going to know exactly what this is. There's no fine print, and there's no hidden costs, no hidden agenda. When we're making an offer, if the numbers work for you, great. We'll move forward. You're going to love working with our team and our title company. They come to you. They'll bring a mobile notary. You can have your funds sent to you through a check or through a bank wire, whatever's most convenient for you. And we're going to communicate throughout the entire process. You're going to know exactly where we're at in the process, and there's no games or no hidden agenda by any means. Our goal isn't to buy every single house. It's to provide clarity and provide options to every single person that we speak with. So if you have a house that you want to sell fast, or if you just want to know what your options are, pick up the phone and give us a call. We're here at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We love working with you, whether you're just looking to see what your options are or you're ready to go. We can move on your timeline. Give us a call or fill out a form online. My name is Dave, and I look forward to working with you.